Wala pa akong details on what will be the programs under that, kung ano yung mga agreement. No? Pero pagkakaintindi ko, nung umattend ako ng meeting with Japan and the rest of the Asian countries with the President, yung parang pag-build din ng reserves for all the countries, and parang regional reserves, that in case there's a country that really needs oil supply, then they can be prioritized for that oil reserve. So, baka yun yung isa sa mga program yun. Yung parang imbis na meron tayong national oil reserve, meron din tayong regional oil reserve, na meron tayong mga tangke na magtatago just to use in case of emergency.
Ito po yung nabanggit ni Presidente kahapon sa conference, Secretary, na parang mag-stockpile for the region.
Yun yung kung hindi, kasi yun yung topic kahapon, and then I think Japan followed that with a commitment with for how much they want to help or contribute.
Pero Secretary, natukoy po ba kung ano kaya yung mga potential na country, especially dito sa ASEAN, na pwedeng magtago at magreserba ng mga petroleum products for the region?
Kung saan? Hindi ko pa alam kung meron na silang criteria on which types of countries can be reserved. I haven't seen pa the report. So hopefully isa din sa Pilipinas din.
Yes.
Pero kung sa Pilipinas din, do we have enough storage for that? Kasi 'di ba, as we speak, parang 60 days yung average na kaya nating i-store.
Wala. As of, if you bring it today, no. But we have to build extra storage talaga. Kailangan yan ipa-construct talaga yung storage.
Are we looking into that, Sec? Would you recommend that na
Pag-aralan
gagawa ng storage pa? And how long po will it take?
Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal at magkano yung gastos, but yes, I would support that kind of activity or kind of program, kasi we really need reserves. Kailangan yung national or yung gobyerno mismo merong reserves na tinatago just in case of, yung parang alam mo yun, yung parang in case of rainy days may tinatago kang pera. Parang ganun din yun Dapat in times of conflict or war, we have to have our own na tinatago na oil.